Hello friends, this is for 21st of December, the winter solstice. And here is the Swedish yachting magazine. It's the biggest one. And now they speak about the boats. They're going to be about, this is 46 feet. And this is like maybe 50 feet, something like this. And this is 50 feet too. So this is what I think we should use. And here is from Germany. They also think 50 feet is like a good idea. And here is Bavaria C50, the 530. Oceanus 51.1. But look, this costs 427,000 euro, 387,000 euro, 456 and 428,000 euro. I mean, that's a lot of money. And not only that, it's not so good for the environment, and it's not so good for safety. And also, once you buy the boat, every year it costs 10% to keep it up and service and things like this. And insurance, I mean, if you spend so much money, you have to have insurance and extra cost. Now, I got my own mind, and I've been sailing small boats for 50 years. And here is like Ming has a boat like this, like the shape of the boat. And here is Perry, ocean capable small sailing boat. He has a smaller boat. This is 4.26 times 1.83. And here is the breeze, first breeze, like this size. And what I did, I've been weighing them. This is 11.3 grams. And this is a boat I was thinking about, but I'm not so sure if I'm going to make so big boat. And this is amphibia breeze I sailed a lot with. And I sailed it from France to Ireland to Newfoundland, and then down to New England, and then back in Sweden. And this boat, well, I don't have it here, but maybe the next boat will be even smaller than the one I have. Like 15 feet, it's a handy size. And I learned a lot on this boat. So I think I can shrink it down a bit. Now she's upside down, but I can sit in the bed, and I found out the smart things to reduce the sail ropes from the aft hatch, so the fore part doesn't have to be so big. So that's a good thing. I made some notes here, and I think I might even have shine runners on her, like the boat from 2011 I sailed to Martinique from France, from Ireland to Madeira. Well, small boats are interesting, and I like the deep blue, endless, eternal oceans. On land, I'm a fish in the woods. I see I'm in my element. So, thanks for this.